I'm Corporal Michael Knox. I'm with VMM 263. I'm a 6176. The V-22's greatest strengths that separate it from all the other platforms in the Marine Corps is that we can go really far, we can go really fast, we can do many different roles. We can carry up to 24 passengers fully loaded for a combat role and put them into a zone, and we can be out of the zone extremely quickly. We can pull people that are injured, we can take them and we can get them to a hospital extremely quickly. So if there's something time critical, such as there's a high priority target in a village or a city somewhere far away, and we need to get there yesterday, a V-22 will get there much faster, because when we go into airplane mode, we can go faster than any other helicopter in the military.